Good morning, everybody. I've been up for a couple hours. 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wednesday, March 25th. I like the app I got for the big time. And the dates are usually hidden way up in the corner and they're usually too small for me to read, so I really dig that. So, a lot of people are locked down at home. I'm locked down with a bunch of coffee, some really good music. Got some good music playing. A bunch of sewing machine boxes of parts to open up. We're on box number 55. Many ask, how many more boxes do you have to open? There's like 50 of them. I keep saying there's about 50 left. I keep grabbing them and I don't know if they're multiplying when I'm not looking. But the pile is still humongous. So here's box number 55. Alright, let's set this phone somewhere safe. Fred Sanford's Vintage Sewing Machine Parts here. And we're going to start off by talking about LED bulbs for your sewing machine. These were, I offer them in a 3 and 4 pack. I offer them singly, but hardly anyone buys them singly. Reason being, the specials on the 3 and 4 pack, you save and you get some freebies. So December, January, and part of February, these 3 packs that offered a free treasure box were the best seller. They're the 2.5 inch, I wrote 2 inch, but they're 2.5 inch bayonet bulbs. Alright, your 221, your 301, tons of Singer use them. They're basically the bayonet push and turn. The name came from I think it originated from the bayonet knife, or I guess you would call it a knife that went on the end of your M16. For those who are in the Army, who know about that, trained with that. So the 4-pack, I outdid myself, because now I'm offering free magnifying glasses when you buy a 4-pack. And so far, no one's bought a 3-pack. Everyone's bought a 4-pack. As far as I can recall, there's one wood handle one left. There's 3 of these left right now, but there's more coming. Hopefully they come soon. So the 4-pack is $33, and you get the free treasure box, and they fit perfectly. And you get the magnifying glass. So there's 3 of those left for now. Well, there's other free items too, but no one's. This is the only things people's members have picked so far. I think that I offered some feet and some scissors. The small, I think they're called daisy snips. No one's picked those yet. So we're here to do a box opening. Box number 55. Remember that saying? Try 55, bring them back alive. That's like a turtle snail pace now, 55, huh? I used to get a ticket every other week. I was a traveling photographer for 2 years. He'd get me like 62 miles an hour, really. You know how many tickets I got for doing under 70 on the expressway? That was the old days. Now I got a perfect record. I hardly drive. Like this lockdown, I haven't been out since the 15th. What's the big deal? I'm used to being at home though. I don't really have to go out very often. 15th, how many days is that? What's my big calendar? What did I say today's date was? Anyways, a long time. Let's see here. Box 55, bring them back alive. Alright, like always, let's pull the boxes out of the boxes. Let's get the coffee somewhere safe. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh. I think these LED bulbs gotta move too. Somewhere, just a little bit out of the way. Alright. I'm seeing a lot of foot pedals and cords. This shouldn't go. Looks like a lot of new stuff. Looks like new foot pedals and cords. Wow. Check this out. If I can get it out of the box. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. Got a box to put stuff in. And here we go. We'll start off with this one in my hand. A 726 cord. A 726 cord. All right. Put my glasses on, see if we're in focus here. I'll drive everyone nuts. Where shall we start? Over here somewhere? Ooh, someone's trying to sell just a foot pedal. $19.95. You know what I'll do with this here? It's such a. It looks brand new. I think it is brand new. I'll use this brand new foot pedal, or what appears to be brand new, and turn it into a Singer 221 or 301 foot pedal, because I've heard so many times that a lot of members do not like the little toe. Some love it, but a lot of don't like that little toe. I actually tried the little toe on the Rocketeer. I didn't like it either. I have big old feet, and this actually works better. So I guess if you got bigger feet, or maybe you got small feet, and you still don't like them, so there you go. I'm going to turn that into and here's a cord, into a 301, 221, 15 foot pedal. These appear to be new cores for Kenmore. This is we'll open it up. They wanted $20 for that. It's a three hole, no groove, brand new cord for Kenmore. I gotta take these glasses off. What else we have? $25 cord. Appears to be the same cord, 3-hole for Kenmore, brand new. Oh, that's nice. I didn't have any of those. Okay. You're looking at it. Tell me what it's for. Got this on one end, and maybe this one to a foot pedal or something. So there's that. And some paperwork. Oh, here we go. The 774 cord. Well, that's nice. It tells you all the model numbers those cords go to. That'll make it easy. I guess I'll have to keep that with the paperwork. So let's put that right back in the box with that paperwork. I know what they're for, but that's interesting that they have all the model numbers. Look at what I'm seeing. For real? For real? For real. Yes. Good cord. Control removed. Well, for sewing customer. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful Elna cord. I know why the end was removed. Those white foot pedals had a lot of issues. So if you got a white foot pedal that doesn't have a lot of issues and the cord's bad, there you go. Now check this out. What's it for? There's a whole box of them. Cha-ching! The Singer ones normally run about $20. What is this? What is that for? Elna? VAF? Very nice. If anybody knows what this is, recognizes it, maybe you're used to plugging it in all the time, let me know. Leave a comment down below, or send me a message and let me know. That's even better. Here's another, no, this is FAF maybe? Looks like it's been opened. Just the cord. Alright. What is this crazy thing? Look at that crazy cord. Never seen nothing like it. Looks good quality. Controller model E21. Nice. Never seen one. Okay, there's that. Whatever that is. Yes. Another Elna cord. Tested good. Thanks for doing the work for me. $24.95. Tested good. Yes. Another one. Unknown brand. Whoa, let me see here. Nope. Not that one. This is on the unknown brand. Oh, yikes. No clue. But still unknown. I'll make somebody's day if they could tell me what it goes to, I guess. Just say I want that unknown brand cord. Another Elna cord. Look at that. Nice. Here's just an Elna end. Elna end. Well, this is good. So far, so good. Another brand new cord. All right. Cool, man. All right. There's one. And I have two of those. I have two of those. We're looking at brand new cords. Check out the ends. You recognize it? This end right here. We got 1, 2. Oh. Cord. NH3726546572022234D. New home. These are new home cords. Let's keep them in the box here. Where's that last box? See, that box is there. Let me see this box. Was it labeled? It just said Elna plug. Okay. This one, see, they got a little, that's what I thought it was, a FAF. They got a little info on the front of the boxes. So for now, I'm just going to leave them in their proper boxes with the info. There's not much in each box. This is broken. Why do they keep it? This one says FAF again. Yes, this is great. Well, let's see what this says. Brother cords. There's two like that. Two brother cords. Yes. And this one just says 726 cords, but I don't think so. I think it has a foot pedal in here. Beautiful foot pedal. Wow. With that end, get your focus here. With that end, oh man, look at this. This is beautiful. I've never seen foot pedals in such nice condition. It's 7.2 core new, controller new. Well, that explains it. Brand new. I might rewire it to something different. Take this off, because I got enough of those like that, and use this one since it's brand new. It only take me a second. I'll turn this into a 221. Look at it. Wouldn't someone love to have this for their featherweight rather than this cord? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewire. So I have two I'm going to rewire. And here's a third one. I don't know. I've never rewired this type. Unless it can be wired without soldering it. I don't know about this one. This is both the foot and knee. Appears to be brand new. Same as this. I don't know if they can be rewired or not without work. Then we got one of these universal plugs. Anybody needs one. Those go bad all the time. They wanted $30 for that knee control. Alright, last box. And this box opening will be over. Another $20 cord. Oh, it's a 4-hole. It's a Singer 4-hole cord. $20 for a 4-hole brand new cord. We'll slash those prices too. Here's another one, $20. I'm guessing a 4-hole. A 4-hole. So let's slash them. We got 4 of them. Let's slash that right in half. They wanted 20. I want 10. Sounds good. Brand new cords. 4-hole. 4-hole Singer cords. $10. Alright. Thanks for watching. During this lockdown, I've been putting this off for too long. There's certain things I put on eBay do better than others. And it saved me a lot of time searching. And one of those things are manuals. When I list them on eBay, and someone asks about a manual, I can actually just go into my eBay store and see if I have it, rather than going through every one. So today, March 25th, I'll be working on some of these and answering, getting to requests in between. And for the next, I don't know, probably for the next week, my eBay store got hit hard. Hit hard. A lot of people are buying stuff. So it's about 60 items less than what I'm paying for that I could have be listed every month. These books should cover at least half. There's at least 30 or 40 books there. And then anything else I decide to add. So I'm going to do another box opening. Hope you enjoyed this one. To make a request, contact me on Facebook. Just go to Facebook in the link I'll send below. Once you get to Facebook, find me. And Facebook, if you find Fred Sanford and click on that, it'll take you right to my page, and you just find the where it says messages and send me a personal message to make an order. Box 56 coming today. You all enjoy the day.